Hello student, so we are discussing NCERT class 7 chapter number 1 integers, and this is video number 4. Previous videos you can see on my channel. So now we are doing addition of integers. We have discussed this concept earlier in our classes as well, that if we are adding two positive integers, then addition will happen and positive sign will come here. And if we are adding two negative integers, then addition will happen and negative sign will come here. And if we are adding two numbers, one is positive and one is negative, then subtraction will will appear and sign of the numbers that of the greater number will come. Right? So let us look at with the help of some examples. If we are adding two numbers and both the numbers are positive, so we can take 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So sum of two numbers is addition happen and sign is positive. If we are taking two negative integers, so we can take it minus 5 and minus 4. So minus 5 plus 4, then in 5 plus 4 addition will happen and sign negative will come, that is minus 9. And if we are taking two numbers, one is positive, say 4, and one is negative, that is minus 4, then in that case subtraction will happen, that is 5. If you look at the numbers without sign, so 5 is bigger and 4 is smaller. So 5 minus 4, 1 will come here and sign. The number, if you look without sign, 5 and 4, 5 is greater and 5 is carrying negative sign, so minus 1 will come here. So this is equal to minus 1. Now you will see the questions in NCERT where a number is given. Let us suppose a number is given and that number is positive. And you are asked that give the sum of two numbers whose sum is that particular positive numbers. So if no sign is asked, then you can simply take two positive numbers. You can apply this situation. So you can say take any two numbers, say 20 and 5. You can say 10 and 15. You can take 23 and 2. So let us take two positive numbers, say 10 and 15. Now if in that case the same question is asked, number is positive, number is given, and it is given that you have to take sum of two numbers, one must be positive and one must be negative. So in that case this condition will apply, the subtraction will happen and obviously the sign of the larger number is required. So you have to take, we need a positive number in the answer. So definitely we will take a positive number as a bigger number. So we can take any number which is greater than 25, say we can take it 30. And obviously after subtracting we need 25, so we have to subtract 5 out of it, so we can take 30 minus 5, that is equal to 25. Now if an answer is given in terms of negative number, say minus 25, in that case if no sign is mentioned and you need to tell sum of two numbers whose sum is equal to 25, so you can directly apply this situation. You can simply take two numbers and two negative numbers, so you can take here as say minus 10 and minus 15. So both the number at sum of both numbers is 25 and negative sign is coming here, so that is minus 25. Now if it is given that some negative number is there after getting sum, and one number must be positive and one must be negative, again in that case you have to apply this situation. Subtraction will happen and the sign of the bigger number will come, and obviously the unsigned negative is required, so we will take the bigger number here, that is more than 25. So we can take any number. This time we are taking 26, minus 26. So if we are taking minus 26, so we have to subtract one positive number, so 26 minus 1 is equal to 25. We can take some more other options as well, minus 30, and we can take 5, that is equal to minus 25. So in this way we will solve the questions given in NCERT.